Hello everyone. If you're new here, I'm Chandrika, and if you're my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. So, festive season started, and for all my non-Telugu audience, those who are not from Andhra Pradesh, they might not know about this festival. On 13th of this month, we celebrate Ugadi festival, which is a Telugu New Year, and I thought of starting a series hashtag festive series. And starting with my hair color video, I'll be posting my skincare videos, hair care videos, and DIY festive outfits and festive shopping, and of course my festive makeup look. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, and comment on your thoughts. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So yeah, that's it. There is a change in my hair color, but I'm not completely satisfied with that because there are some reasons behind that. The main reason is the customer service. Of course, Green Trends is a very nice brand and I'm very much satisfied for my first hair color. That's why I went for my second hair color as well. But this time I'm not completely satisfied with their customer service because it is completely changed and I think the staff changed. But when I went for the first time for my previous hair color, it was very professional and they used aluminium foils for each strand of my hair and they have taken care of my hair very well, which now the new staff didn't. And the way of talking with the customers is also not good, so I'm not satisfied with the customer service and I'm not going to Green Trends Eluru branch for my next hair color. And if you are a girl living in Eluru wanted to color your hair, I don't recommend Green Trends Eluru branch. The brand Green Trends is very nice, but in this branch the way they treat their customers is not at all professional. I can argue with them or I can stop them, but I think that there is no point of arguing with them. So I just want to share my personal experience with you. I hope you all understand. Apart from the customer service, the hair color which I got now is good. I don't know how long it will stay on my hair, but I'll regularly update you guys. And so yeah, that's it. I hope you all like it. Comment your thoughts and suggestions, I would love to answer them. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.